Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the products that matter most. Today, we're reviewing the Upgraded Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner, a device that promises to elevate your dental care routine. Whether you wear retainers, dentures, night guards, or mouth guards, this ultrasonic cleaner is designed to provide a deeper clean than traditional methods. So let's break it down. The Upgraded Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner operates at a 45 kilohertz frequency, utilizing ultrasonic technology to create millions of tiny bubbles that scrub away dirt, bacteria, and odors from your dental appliances. This system includes a 200 milliliter cleaning pod, providing the right amount of space for your appliances. It also features 4 powerful UV lights designed to disinfect your devices, helping you avoid the dreaded bacteria buildup. The device has 4 modes: a 5-minute ultrasonic cleaning with steady blue light, a 10-minute deep cleaning with breath white light, a 5-minute degassing cycle with breath blue light, and a 10-minute degassing cycle with breath white light. Each mode is designed for specific cleaning needs, and while cleaning tablets or mouthwash aren't included, they're recommended for enhanced performance. Real-world use is straightforward. Setting up the device is a breeze, with the 200 millimeter dental cleaning pod being the perfect size for most appliances. The ultrasonic function is quiet, operating at just 45 dB, which means it won't disrupt your daily routine. During testing, I found that the cleaner efficiently removed stains and odors from retainers and mouthguards, with the UV lights adding an extra layer of freshness. However, while the cleaning process is effective, it's important to note that tougher stains may require a second cycle to fully remove. The cleaner's quiet operation is a big plus, but it can take up to 10 minutes for a full deep clean, so patience is required. Pros of this product include its compact size, quiet operation, and the versatility of the 4 cleaning modes. The inclusion of the basket and tweezers for easy item placement and removal is also a nice touch. On the downside, there are no cleaning tablets included, so you'll need to purchase those separately. Additionally, while the cleaner does a great job for routine use, it might fall short for heavy-duty cleaning if a single cycle doesn't suffice. When considering the value for money, the ultrasonic cleaner provides solid performance for the price. It's not the cheapest option on the market, but considering its advanced features, like the ultrasonic frequency, UV light system, and variety of cleaning modes, it justifies the cost. If you're looking for something that can handle everyday cleaning effectively, this could be a good investment. Now, compared to other similar products, the Upgraded Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner stands out due to its multiple modes and UV sterilization. Many cleaners in this category offer basic ultrasonic cleaning but lack the UV light feature. However, there are alternatives at a lower price point that offer simpler ultrasonic cleaning without the added UV feature or versatility. In terms of build quality, the cleaner feels solid and durable. The materials used are typical for a device like this: plastic housing, which keeps it lightweight yet sturdy enough for everyday use. While we don't have long-term data on durability yet, the materials and construction suggest that it should hold up well with proper care. In terms of customer support, the brand offers assistance if the cleaner doesn't meet expectations, and they are responsive. That's reassuring, especially considering the precision needed for effective cleaning, as everyone's devices may vary in the level of buildup they have. To wrap things up, the Upgraded Ultrasonic Retainer Cleaner is a reliable option for anyone looking to maintain their dental appliances with minimal effort. It performs well, especially for routine cleaning, though tougher stains may require additional cycles. It's a little more expensive than basic models, but its added features make it worth considering if you're looking for an all-around cleaning solution. If you think this cleaner might be the right choice for you, the link to purchase is in the comments below. As always, feel free to share your experiences or ask any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay fresh and keep smiling. Until next time, keep it beautyistic.